Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and here I'm back doing the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any high impact news into the market today, and we are having USD bank holiday. So more likely the price could be in a range bound state. So let's move to the charts and see how the price is actually reacting. So this is the monthly chart, and what we see is that as we had anticipated, that price reacted from this FVG zone and we moved into the downward side. Currently, the price is reacting from this particular level, which was a resistance before, and it is moving into the higher direction, taking the previous month's low. So right now the bias is not much clear though. What we have here is that this level of BPR, oh sorry, the volume balance zone, I almost always mess up with this. The volume balance zone, which can possibly act as a resistance for the price. Let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in there. So as we move into the weeklies, what we see is that there is a volume balance zone over here. The price never actually kind of closed this zone. Rather, we were always treating it as a resistance or a support. So for now, uh, I'm actually aligning the monthly levels along with this weekly volume imbalance zone. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that the price was having this wick, and the 50% of this wick was left unmitigated. Now, the reason why I chose this wick was because it took the liquidity and become a reason for the price to break all these highs. So it is one of the lows from where this actual push came into the market. And rather, we were having this unmitigated wick, 50% of the wick. So I was anticipating when the price reached here to move into the upside direction, but that didn't happen. Rather, the price moved into the downward side and we had a close below this wick level, making me think that this is the primary area, which is our area of resistance for the price for today's uh, bias. As in, if the price breaks this high, more likely I'll be anticipating that this will become a resistance since we are already in a closed range price zone. So we'll be facing multiple resistance and supports into the market, and that will become more messy. But for now, what we have is, since this level, okay, since this particular low, a particular high broke this level of wait, can I hide it? Yeah, since we were having this low and this particular high broke this low, so I'm anticipating that this will be my invalidation zone, and if the price breaks it, so I'll be anticipating for a small upside move till it reaches the above resistance. But for now, for today's bias, this will be my invalidation zone. Now let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hours, it is validated by this BPR and this FVG area present right here. So this is my level of strong resistance, you can say. And since this at this level the price already took the liquidity, so that also validates this proposition that this area is invalidation zone for today's. That is, I'm explaining it too much, I guess. So let's move to the 2 hours, and even in 2 hours what we see is that we are having this BPR right at this zone, and even in 1 hour I had marked this BPR. So more likely we can possibly go high, tap this BPR and then come down. That will make each and everything sitting right here as a liquidity, and then the price will continue its journey towards let's move to the dailies, which I had missed. This higher time frame BPR, which is sitting right below these levels. So if the price have to reach this level, more likely we are going to react from this levels and come down. Since everything here is mitigated, let's move to the 15 minutes now. As we move into the 15 minutes, what we see is that everything is efficient here and the price is moving higher. Now I'll be waiting actually. I'll be moving back a little to the 30 minutes. I guess I didn't go to 30 minute. I messed up. Did I? Okay, yeah. So here, what I'm anticipating is if the price gets a close below this level, that is 2 hour, then we are going to go all the way down this till this higher level BPR, that is daily BPR. And this will be my today's bias, that if we get a close below this level, then I'll be happily taking a short trade, treating all of these as liquidities into the market. But for now, I am bullish till this level is tapped and we are going to see a reaction. This is my invalidation zone. I'm clarifying it again. And this is my today's bias. So let's clarify it, that we are going to go higher, tap this level, and then come down till this level being broken. And then if this is getting, if this got broken, uh, more likely we are going to come down till this level. If this doesn't happen, let's remove this scenario. If this doesn't happen, more likely we are going to get a reaction from these levels. Go higher, tap here, come down, take some kind of liquidity, and then continue the journey into the higher direction. Take this high, or more likely that will continue down. One scenario, otherwise we are going to go higher to tap this level. So this is a little complex, but still, since the market is choppy, so that makes it a little worth it. And if you're trading this market, be cautious to take only small trades. Don't place a huge target in a particular direction. That will make uh, your positions go into profit, and then you'll be having a stop loss hit. So be cautious for that. So this is pretty much for today. And do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how are you seeing the market today. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.